Okay. Shall we start? In 3D, first what are there? Tell me. In 3D, two diagram questions. What questions are there? Cylinder in sphere, cone in sphere, cylinder in cone. See, wherever cone is involved, some will be little complicated. Remember that. Okay, now. First, if you address which is stuff, it will be easy to remember. Okay, cylinder in sphere sum is very easy. Remember this. Okay, now because tomorrow in exam with this came also. Okay, this is easy. If you don't categorize this, you will think okay, these three sums are tough. Actually, these three sums are not tough. Only this is easy. Only these two are also not tough if you remember stuff. Okay, now first we'll discuss cylinder and sphere. Tell me, cylinder and sphere. Obviously, in all these three questions, they will give volume of something will be maximum. Okay, now that is common. But one more, in every question there are two conditions. First condition, second condition. Second condition is differentiation of volume is zero. But first condition they will not give directly in these questions. That's why these questions are like tough questions in this chapter. Okay, now first questions are always a hidden condition only. Those hidden conditions we will concentrate more today. Okay, now this is the diagram. Tell me, in cylinder in sphere, where is the hidden condition? In cylinder in sphere, this is the hidden condition. Always it's a right angle triangle only in every question. Remember that. Okay, now always it's a right angle triangle, either similarity or Pythagoras theorem. Okay. In cylinder in sphere question, it's Pythagoras theorem. Tell me, if total height of cylinder is h, total height of cylinder is h. This is h by 2. If capital R, why capital R? Radius of sphere is capital R. See, always try to do constants in capital letters. Okay, now one clarity will come for you. Okay, now because tomorrow, if you keep this is R1, this is R2, differentiation of R1 equal to 0, how you will know while doing question? Okay, now every constant thing is capital letter you have to keep. Okay, now for example, next sum, inside cone cylinder will be there. Then lot of confusion you will have. What you should do, cone things capital H and capital R if you keep. While differentiating capital R is equal to 0, you will know. Okay, now why I am telling understood, right? All constant things capital letters. All capital letters differentiation 0. Okay, now tell me this is smaller. Tell me what is the condition for this? Bit- Capital R square. This is the condition. See, this condition is not given in the question directly. Correct? About this question also they haven't discussed. That's why this question is tough for everybody. Okay, now all you have to remember is in 3D something is inscribed inside something questions, and hidden equation is also inscribed that you have to find out. Okay, now this question it is very easy. Okay, now shall we start? Mm. Always differentiation of volume will be zero case. Either differentiation of cylinder is zero or differentiation of cone is zero. No doubt about it. Correct? Correct or not? See, inside cone, one cylinder is inscribed also. Volume of cylinder is only maximum. Here also volume of cylinder is only maximum. Um, Inside sphere cone is only maximum. So see, cone or cylinder any volume is cylinder is pi r square h. This is the most important thing in our class. This is only different than other classes. Yes or no? 1 by 3 pi r square h or pi r square h differentiation is 0. 1 by 3 doesn't matter. So always second equation what you are doing pi r square h differentiation is only 0. Pi also not doesn't matter. అంటే in every 3D something is inscribed in something question. Second equation is always differentiation of r square h is 0 no matter what they give cylinder or cone. Yes or no? So if you do r square h is equal to 0's differentiation, h dash tell me 2r h dash 2r h plus h dash is equal to 0. 1 minute. Sorry. 2r h dash plus 2r h is equal to 0. Correct? H dash is equal to minus 2r h. If you cancel r also, finally h dash is equal to minus 2h by r. is the most important equation here. Okay, now why it is most important I am telling is this will come in every question of 3D 2 diagram question. Okay, now because that, just now I explain the logic. Yes or no? I think you remember this because throughout the year I told this only. So definitely this minus 2h by r you remembered. That's one good point for you. Okay, now okay. See if you remember this second equation, the sum is about only first equation. Yes or no? All sums are about only first equation. Second equation anyway you're remembering. Yes or no? So almost 30% of your sum is done if you remember, if you understand this logic that every question is doing differentiation of r square h is 0 only. That means h dash is equal to minus 2h by r should be your theme song for this model. Okay, now obviously always first equation will be an equation. In that equation you have to find h dash and replace it with this. Now whatever they are asking, one condition will come. Tell me differentiation of this how to do. This is h square by 4, h square by 4. Start differentiating. 2h into h dash by 4 plus r square is equal to 0. This is one more common mistake everybody makes. 2r they'll write. Okay, now that's why I told capital terms differentiating while you are doing, while you are practicing. If you practice that capital terms differentiation is 0, that mistake will not come. Okay, now don't do this mistake and tell it's a silly mistake. That is not silly mistake. Okay, now tell me directly here h dash is equal to minus 2h by r. I'll substitute 2h into minus 2h by r by 4 plus r square is equal to 0. Tell me 2 2 are 4, 4 gone. What is left? Minus square by plus r square is equal to is, e- is equal to 0. Next, what to do? Here we have done one mistake. Differentiation of r square is 2r. Sorry, correct? Here also 2r. Tell me plus 2r. Send it that side. R. H square is equal to 2r square. Clear? Square is equal to 2r square is the final solution of cylinder inscribed inside a sphere. If cylinder is inscribed in a sphere, h square equal to 2r square will come. Doesn't matter what they are asking. Okay, now they can ask this only. I mean, h is equal to root 2r. You can further bring it down to h is equal to root 2r. Okay, now still no clear? H is equal to root 2r is final condition for a cylinder inscribed in a sphere. Whatever they are asking, they can ask this only directly. They can ask HR relation. They can ask RR relation also. In this question, they asked HR relation. Correct? How to find HR relation? From here, what to do? Just substitute. See, you want capital H, capital H. You have to substitute H in terms of R. So R is equal to H by root 2. You have to substitute. So H square by 4 plus h square by 2. Why h square by 2? R is h by root 2. R square is h square by 4 is equal to capital R square. If you do this, 3h square by 4 is equal to R square. H square is equal to 4r square by 3. H is equal to root 2 r by 3. That's what they're asking you to prove. Clear? Uh, sorry. Yeah, yeah. R by root 3. Correct. Sorry. Clear? This is one whole question. Out of these three questions, first question. Actually, in this first question only, if you remember, if you understand carefully what are the methods I'm following, you apply same thing in second and third question. These three questions are actually very easy, you will know. Than these three questions, tougher questions or other questions you will tell. Yes or no?